Set up. Arrange or establish something. Example: I'll help you set up your new computer. Set up with. Arrange for someone to meet or start a relationship with another person. Example: I set him up with my friend for a blind date. Set aside. Save or reserve something for a specific purpose. Example: let's set aside some time for a meeting next week. Set off. Start a journey or trigger something. Example: they set off on their road trip early in the morning. Set back. Delay or hinder progress. Example: the unexpected problem set our project back by a week. Set in. Begin and continue steadily, usually regarding weather or a trend. Example: winter has set in and it's getting colder. Settle down. Calm down or establish a stable life. Example: after years of traveling, he decided to settle down and buy a house. Set out. Begin a journey or a task with a particular goal. Example: we set out to explore the city and its landmarks. Set forth. Present information or arguments in a systematic way. Example: the report sets forth the key findings of the research. Set in motion. Start a process or activity. Example: the new policy will set in motion changes in the organization. Set against. Have a negative opinion about something or someone. Example: I'm not set against the idea. I just need more information. Set about. Start doing something with determination. Example: they set about renovating the old house. Set someone back. Cost someone a certain amount of money. Example: the new phone will set you back about $500. Set up shop. Start a business or establish a place for work. Example: after years of planning, They finally set up shop in the city center. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.